Hey guys, and welcome back. In this video I will be showing you exactly how to send Jotform via an email. So let's just share it. So first you're going to be opening your templates and create a form itself. Let's just say you can go with any of these templates, doesn't really matter since we want to share it. So let's just say this was a form that you were working on right now. To share it, you need to head out to your publish option, and before we move to the next step, you can head over to the link in the description to get 50% off onto their paid plans, guys, and that can help you to unlock even better features to create amazing forms and much more. So do check out the link in the description below. So in here you're going to be simply entering in here the mail for the guy that you want to invite, so you can add their name and it will be sent to them. So that's how easy it is to send an invitation. You can add a message like, for example, please fill this up, and yeah, so that's how you can do it. I hope this was something that you were looking for. So see you in the next video.